Hey everyone, on Homeschool Arcade today, we're going to talk about what is this thing called deschooling and 4 reasons why it might just be a good idea for you and your family. So let's get to it. So what is deschooling? Well, deschooling it's the adjustment period that a child goes through when leaving school and beginning homeschool, and it's also can be described kind of as a break of sorts. Now, this term was invented by Ivan Illich, and what he said was this. He said it's a shift from the traditional government-influenced institution of schooling to a less restricted method of learning that, and I love this, he says, that focuses on being educated by one's natural curiosities. Now, you might be asking yourself, why should I do schooling? Well, here's 4 reasons. Changing from traditional school to homeschool is a huge shift for children, and oftentimes it can be a difficult transition for both the children and the parents as well. So here's reason number 1. First, both need time to get adjusted to many new things. Some of these things include spending more time with each other, the parents and the kids with the siblings, and maybe the kids may also start missing some of their old friends and teachers they spent time with. A second reason is they may also need time to heal. For some reason, there might have been some unhealthy situations in school, such as bullying or other social issues, or not fitting into the school's academic expectations. A third reason is maybe they need time to adjust to just a vastly different way of learning. Homeschooling is often much more relaxed. It can occur in many different places, ways, and at different times than in a traditional school. Fourth and finally, in addition, deschooling gives your family time to figure out some details. You want to be able to take time to research the wealth of homeschool information that's out there and pick what's right for your family. Pick curriculums. What my family ended up doing is we ended up taking about 2 weeks to do deschooling. And during that time, we spent time learning about curriculum, what worked. We gave our kids the chance to go out there and explore and figure out what were things that they were interested in, what were their passions. So whatever we did in homeschooling, we could start to gear some of the lessons that we taught towards those passions. So I hope these list of 4 things have been helpful to you. Don't forget to click subscribe and the bell as we have more content coming out, and look forward to learning with you as we go through this journey together.